Hey guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best AI agents you can ever want. So if you're finally a student in college or university and looking to write your projects, this is the only AI you ever needed. You might use a lot of AIs generating a lot of stuff for you, but this is just the best of the best. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So the AI will be using, I'll just show you one use cases, which is the project writing. So the AI we'll be using today is called Manus. Mm. Let me show you how to get it and I'll explain what it is and how to use it. The first thing to do, if you're on your mobile phone, just go to Play Store and type in Manus. Oh, this is the very one, Manus AI. So you can download and install it. So I already have it. So Manus has three modes. We have the adaptive mode, the agent mode, and the chat mode. Chat mode is just like using ChatGPT and other AI. The agentic mode is the agent. The agent's mode is like you give him a set of instruction, it won't stop till it's completed. The adaptive mode, rather, you'll be able to prompt it mid execution. It will keep asking your question before it proceed with task. So I kind of like it. So this very AI will be using. We have slide spreadsheet. You can generate slide. You can generate spreadsheet. You even have the different type of theme to choose from. One of the things that makes this the best. So we have spreadsheet. You can generate spreadsheet. You can, if you're an analytic person, you can perform all your analysis here. You can generate image. You can generate videos, and we have the audio mode. So this is everything you ever. It's just the AI you use for your day-to-day activity. So in this very video, let's now leave the contexts. It's about writing a project from scratch, a final year school project from scratch. So the first thing to do after you got all this installation, oh, I forgot to mention that like if you download the app, you need to like register with your email and your phone number. So after all those steps, you get an interface like mine. So let me just prompt it. Hey buddy, I love to say that. So as you can see, I paste the topic that we were working on, and now I'm just gonna like clarify something. All right, I'm making some clarification to avoid mistakes. So what else? We write in chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay, notes. All right, I'm making some clarification. The citation should be updated ones. Okay. All right. Scientific names should be italicized, same as the, let's put it in quote, et als. Now, let's start with chapter 1. Now we're done with the prompt and let's see what we got. So now it's done, it's saying, so we can wait for it to plot. Why it's done, it's saying, let me mention something. Once you register on Manus, you'll be given a credit of 1,000, and subsequently you'll be given 300 on daily basis, which if you didn't exhaust, it will renew, but it won't add to the, you know. So just a quick thing about Manus. It's So it's making the research. As you can see, it's making its own deep research. We can view it here to see the papers it's reading from. Actually, we can see what the agent is doing. The AI is doing live. We can see where it's getting its resources from and how it's doing the whole thing. It's like live coding and stuffs. So, and we can also take control by clicking on the browser part and stuffs. So all we need to do is just to wait. And one thing, it's very good in analysis. Instead of like looking for some softwares that you can use in analyzing your data, all you need is to have this Manus. Input all your data, just tell them the kind of coding you want and like the kind of result it will be delivered. Today I'm just showing a very specific use case, but like I'll make other videos showing me performing analysis, data analysis on it, maybe the analysis of this very project, because this we will be having questionnaire and we'll have questionnaire like we'll be analyzing it. So let's see what we got. As you can see, it's working. I use it a lot. You can see a lot of stuff that I already have going on. So let's wait. Let's see what we got. And to compare it with like other AI like ChatGPT. So if you're doing the same thing with ChatGPT, you have a result also, a research and stuff. But trust me, it's nothing like this. And yeah, you can even specify, though you can specify the tone to the tone you wanted there. But most of the time, using ChatGPT will be flagged as like if you submit in school or something, it will be flagged as like you using AI because the person you submit, the supervisor also might be using the same AI. So in ChatGPT, Claude, and most of the rest actually work in the same pattern. So, but this, because it has some thinking faculty, it's not just thinking, you have some things going to check different resources, getting the data, not creating data, getting the data. from different sources, multiple sources, forming them together and like providing a solid work. You want to try this out, obviously. Sorry, I'm having a bit of catarrh. This guitar is killing me. All right, anytime now. And boom, we now have our first work complete. I can see, let's say, if you script project, we have a PDF of it. We'll check the PDF first, and as you can see, we have everything utilized. The background of story, the problem statement. I can see some bit of spacing here. The significance of the study. Oh, and the literature review. Well, I only say the chapter one only, but I think we have the whole thing here. More importantly, we can see the citations are well putted, and we have the references. I think the references we need to tell it to put it in an APA format. The start with bracket. It's not something we can edit on our own, but then this we can fact check all of this. You can trace it back to the actual resources. We have the chapter one, the chapter two. You can go and continue. So we have the so we can fact check the whole thing. Um, we have it in a markdown format. And one thing we can do is like we can actually download it. We can download it. We can also convert it to MS Word, the format that we actually want. Let me see. If you're viewing this on a PC, if you're viewing it on a PC, you can actually convert it to Microsoft format. So I think that's that. Well, we can proceed to the chapter 3 or we can stop here. For the sake of this video, I don't want it to be longer than this. I will stop here and we take it from there in the next session. Let's give him 5 star. Alright, thank you all for listening. I'll see y'all in the next video. And I'll make sure like give you a honest review about it. Y'all should check it out and give me the honest review about it. I'll make even better video about it, completing this project and even showing you how we can actually perform data analysis using this with our own data, imputing it and get an actual result. And even for the proposal of the, like say you have a defense of the project to defend it, we can actually draft a proposal in a PowerPoint format. Well, thank you all for listening, and I'll be stopping here.